In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can reset the Frigidaire dishwasher, and I prepared for you the two dishwashers. So it's really simple. You want to come to your dishwasher, and here you're gonna have a start button, and under that you should have like cancel, hold 3 seconds to cancel, and all you want to do is press it for 5 to let's say 6 seconds. It's going to like reset for you. Or I have another dishwasher right here from Frigidaire, and there you can have also the start and under it you're gonna have cancel. So either you're gonna have a start button under which you're gonna have a cancel, a text, or you're gonna have just straight up cancel button and you can have hold for 3 seconds to cancel. So these are like the two ways how it can be. And what you want to do is just press and hold it, and then when you're gonna reset it, wait like 5 minutes before turning the dishwasher back on. Keep the dishwasher off for several minutes before pressing the start button for 1 to 2 seconds. And that's like how you're gonna do it. So I hope this video helped you. Have a great day and goodbye.